This is letter V. V is for van. Van. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. V is for vase. Vase. V is for waste. Waste. V is for vulture. Vulture. V is for violet. Violet. V is for volcano. Volcano. V is for violin. Violin. V is for weight. Weight. Wow! What a beautiful rhyme it was, wasn't it? And I hope you all enjoyed it very much, right? So hello everyone, welcome back to another fun learning and entertaining session. And today I am here with a new letter. So children, can you guess which letter we are going to learn today? Yes, letter V. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. This is letter V. This is capital letter V and this is small letter V. This is uppercase V, means capital letter V, and this is lowercase v, means small letter v. Now the formation of letter V. For that we need to join these two fingers. Start from top, make a slanting line from top to bottom, then draw one more slanting line upwards. Once more, start from top, make a slanting line from top to bottom, then draw one more slanting line upwards. So this is the formation of letter V. Now we are going to make letter V with the help of clay dough. So let's make it. This is letter V. One slanting line, then another slanting line. So this is letter V. It's very easy to make. Now it's time to write it down. Children, look here. Start from top red line to bottom blue line. So make a slanting line, then go up. One more time. Make a slanting line from top to bottom, then draw one more slanting line. One more time. Start from top red line to bottom blue line. Make a slanting line, then draw one more slanting line upwards. So this is how we write letter V. Letter V. V for vulture. V for van. Now, the sound of letter V. V says V. There is a little boy named Vicky. Vicky is with a van. So children, everyone pretend to drive a van along with an action song. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Once more, everyone pretend to drive a van. Very good. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Very good. Good job. Children, in the rhyme we have found few words that belong to letter V. So let's recall once again. This is a van. Van. It is a road transport, which means it moves on the road. Next, these are vegetables. vegetables. Vegetables are very good for our health. My favorite vegetable is cauliflower. And what is your favorite vegetable? Think. Next one is vase. This is a vase. Vase. It is a kind of pot or container in which flowers are kept. Next is vulture. Vulture. It is a high flying bird and big in size. Now next one is vest. This is vest. Vest. It is a short, tight-fitting, sleeveless garment. Next, we are going to see a beautiful color. Tell me, which color is this? Yes, violet color. Violet. Next, we are going to see an amazing thing. Yes, this is a volcano. Volcano. There is a hole at the top of the volcano. When a volcano erupts, lava, ash, and gas are expelled from it. Next, this is a musical instrument. So, this is violin. Violin. Next, he is a vet. Who is he? Vet. Vet. He is a vet. He is a doctor for animals. Children, now it's time to do an amazing activity. For that, we need some resources like red, blue and white color, a paintbrush and few earbuds. First, we are going to make a magic color, that is violet color. Children, do you know how to make violet color? Violet color is made by mixing red, blue and white. So let's dive into the activity. Children, our activity is done. Look here, what a beautiful flower it is, isn't it? This flower is called verbena flower. Violet and verbena. So today we have learned about letter V. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. I request to all of you, like my videos, share my videos with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. So that's all for today. Bye bye.